Hello everyone. We're in the Chrysalis space and I'm going to show you a quick demo of how to use our heaters and fans. So Chrysalis is outfitted with two AC heaters. Here's one on this side, and as you go over here, there's another on this side. And right above each of these heaters are two large industrial fans that can help move air around. So you'll want to warm up the heaters first by switching the switch right underneath it. So you'll turn that on, and you'll hear it come on, and you'll need to give it a few minutes to warm up because the element takes a little bit of time. And while you're doing that, you can come over here. You can turn the other one on if you're having an early yoga session or something like that. So let's cut this on. And then if you walk over here toward the front door of Chrysalis, there is a switch right here. And this far left switch here is turning the fans on. So you hit that, and you can hear those come on. They're quite loud, so if you have some quiet moments in your practice, I would maybe avoid turning those on. But you can hear the heaters start to kick their fans on, which are much quieter, and they'll start blowing out hot air within a few minutes. And one more note about these heaters, please make sure after you leave the space to turn both of them off again. That is much appreciated. Thank you very much.